Hello, friends. Welcome to my embedded school. In the previous video, we learned about Kirchhoff's current law, KVL, with their example. Today we learn about the second most important law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, which is used to find voltage in a circuit that has more than one active or passive element. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the algebraic sum of all voltages is zero in any closed loop in a circuit or network. We also called this law another way, the sum of all voltage drops in network equal to the sum of all voltage rise in network. We understand this law by taking one example. To understand this equation, first we must understand the analogy of KVL. If current goes from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of an element, then this is a voltage drop. If current is flowing from the negative to the positive terminal of an element, then this is a rise. In this circuit, we have one closed loop that is named ABCD. In this closed loop, there are four elements, two resistors and two voltage source names, respectively R1, R2, and V1 and V2. So, we can assume current flowing through resistors, R1, is IR1 and current flowing through resistors, R2, is IR2 as per the shown direction. We also assume the direction of the loop is ABCD. In branch AB, we are going from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery, so we can consider this a voltage drop. So that is negative. In branch BC, current flows from B to C, so we also go in this direction, so we can assume this is a voltage drop and that is negative. In branch CD, we are going from the negative to the positive terminal, so we can consider this a voltage rise, and so that is positive. In the case of the branch DA, current is flowing from A to D. In this branch, we are going to reverse the direction of the current, so this is a voltage rise, and that is positive. So, we write equation this way. Minus V1 minus I1 R1 plus V2 plus I2 R2 equals 0. So, V1 plus I1 R1 minus V2 minus I2 R2 equals 0. We will see more example in another video. Kirchhoff's law applies to all active and passive elements. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on basic electronics. Thank you for watching.